Alright, in this video I'll give you some quick tips, specifically how to start your favorite editor in a vanilla mode. You probably don't do it normally because you build your editor power day by day, month by month, year after year. Okay, but there are use cases, there are times when you go back to a absolute vanilla mode. That means absolute raw mode without having any of your over the years, over the months, over the days configuration with it, to specifically to test something. Okay, so I'll be showing how you could start Vim as vanilla Vim without having any plugin, any RC file, anything at all. Okay, and Emacs too without having any extension or anything at all. Okay, just raw form of Vim and Emacs without having any extension, anything more capabilities you probably had added to it. Okay, so this is required, one of the prime use case probably to test out something. If something misbehaving and not working as you expected, you might try this step to find out whether one of your configuration might interfering with that. Pretty common scenario, so I'm doing it for those who don't know about it. Okay, so if I go to terminal and if I I'm trying to start Vim without anything. That -u none means without any RC. Okay, so and if you do -u no RC, that means it might start without RC but with the plugin. Okay, so let me do it one by one. So if I do, it will start without any Vim RC file. If I do, see, it's the raw vanilla stuff. Okay, so it started like that. So how do you differentiate? Let me show you. If I do without none, if I do normal Vim, this is how my Vim look. Your Vim could be look different in the initial stage. Okay, so likewise, if you do no RC, it will in this syntax it will simply start Vim without Vim RC but with the plugins you have installed. So you will get the benefit of having plugins. With this you can get the plugin with this invocation with no RC. Okay, so there is a difference between -u none and -u no RC. Okay, I probably covered it in one of my backlog video. If you haven't checked it out, that's why I'm specifically making this video. So if you want to test out something without your configuration, you might check it out with this. For Emacs, you could do the same thing, -q. Just you have to give -q to start Emacs. It will be starting on GUI mode. So okay, it's getting messy. Let me try again. Emacs -q, and if I do, this is not required. I'm doing it just to throw away all the output coming into because I'm invoking it from the terminal, so the terminal gets clobbered with a lot of warnings and information which I'm throwing it out to dev now. Okay, so basically it will start. See, this is how the vanilla Emacs start. It comes with, you can see the menu option and all this stuff are there. So it is come with menus and all these things, and it is a vanilla Emacs. It doesn't have the customization and configuration you probably have done. So this is how you can invoke Emacs without any of your configuration. Just pass the argument -q. Okay, so it will bypass all your configuration and bring up the vanilla stuff. Okay, so I thought it will be useful for some people. So that's why I'm making this video. So if you ever wanted to use your favorite editor in a vanilla form without having your configuration, I'm repeating this stuff again and again so it get etched into your head if you haven't come across it with this kind of stuff. Okay, chances are probably low, but still I'm doing it for those who wanted to know and wanted to use it properly. Okay, so I hope this will help you, some people. Okay,